Avenida, Panorâmica do Lago,南灣 Avenida, Panorâmica do Lago,南灣 Scenic view avenue, nighttime walks, nighttime talks, crisp cool air going everywhere. Taking a walk down the boulevard, walking down Avenida, Panorâmica do Lago,南灣 Lago,南灣 Nighttime walks, nighttime talks, crisp cool air going
Okay, this is the waterfront. I think it's kind of nice, beautiful buildings. So we're going to be walking down underneath over in that area and kind of showing you the waterfront a little bit. So I'll put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. There's a beautiful bridge, and then there's also the Macau Tower. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Okay, so we have the Macau Tower directly ahead of us. We're going to be going down this little spiral case, and then we're going to walk down below in this area. You can basically see this little way like that. Then you have that really, really nice skyline as well. So we just kind of capture all these tall buildings as well. Okay, so we're going to be walking down this little spiral thing. There's actually some events way down there as well, but I'm not going to go down there. We're going to go down this way instead. So we're going to follow the stairwell. There's Macau Tower. So we kind of have this interesting little way to go down. Spiral case. And now we're down here. There's our theater hotel in the background. A lot of times they do have events down in here, but there's not one at this particular time. I just haven't filmed in here in a long time, and I think the times that I have, it's usually in the daytime, so it's kind of unusual for me to be filming. I just haven't filmed in here in a long time. Yeah, look how beautiful those buildings are like that though. Let me tell you what's down there. So the furthest one all the way down to the right is MGM. Then the next one that's a little bit closer, and there's like an island right in here. This island is actually in the water a little bit, but that Yoho Island is the next one that has like Five Guys, movie theater, stuff like that. Then Wynn is next to it, right over there. These buildings here are I think they're like apartments and some shops and such like that. Got the Bank of China, the one with the big red circle up on top. Grand Lisboa Casino, which is oh, and there's also FIT, Fashion Institute of Technology. And then AIA building, there's a nice restaurant at the top, so there's a rooftop up there. And then down here you have that beautiful boat. So I think that boat is just kind of not really for tourists, it's just to get from there over to that island and back. And I don't know the reason exactly, but like sometimes I'll see stuff in that island over there. And then the next thing we're gonna see is all this artwork, which changes, and I haven't seen it in a while. The artist is Wanzai Art. And then here's one of the first ones. Yeah, it's been a while since I've seen it. But yeah, you can see it in these ones and they continue. So there'll be a theme. So this one's theme is like a woman flying, sleeping. I guess there she's sleeping and here she's dreaming, maybe dreaming. So maybe there's a theme of dreaming, sleeping. Oh, these are the, I forget the name of those, but like an origami from Japan, and they create, I think there's some symbolism there, but maybe it's connected to dreaming. Puzzle piece. So kind of a dream theme here. Putting the pieces together. Reflecting. That one seems kind of outside the theme I was thinking about. This is a different artist, I think. There's the artist right there. I think it's not Wanzi Art, it's a different one. Welcome to Macau. Then we have some more shops up here as well. Bara Cafe. Need a cup of coffee. I want to walk up here real quick. AIA. Yoho Treasure Island. So that is a nice new addition. Whenever I started filming, that wasn't here, so now it is. I think I haven't really filmed over here that much. Then you have some ducks and like a little pontoon, little things. All of our buildings up there. We got some more artwork here. Bar Cafe. So we're gonna walk all the way down. So I guess there's like a bar cafe, which I think is like cats. Bar Cafe. A little Mona Lisa there. That's kind of cool. Didn't know this was here. So they're kind of continually having new things all the time. Chimes. More artwork. Okay. So I'm gonna end it right there. But you kind of get an idea. So the main thing I wanted to see was show some of the artwork, and then kind of show there's some shops down here. And then I think it might be more interesting during the daytime. But there's the Macau Tower down there. So at least you got a little slice of this. I haven't shown it in a while. So we'll complete this one up on top. There, like the businesses, it's a little bit too dark to be filming in that space, and I kind of wanted to capture more of the lighting upstairs. The pink building is like the governor's house. I think it's not the word governor, but you got all the beautiful buildings everywhere. That goes right into Tampa Central. They're doing some construction here. And then we're just gonna go walk over to the waterfront and we're gonna end the video. Got a McDonald's. Nice windows. Then we come up here and come to an ending. And here we are overlooking our kind of our Target street here. Macau Tower. I'll have to come over and film in the daytime again soon. We'll end on the national games. So around the city they have kind of let you know like how many days before they have that national game. So it's going to be November 9, it looks like, 9 days away. 38 days for something else that's December 8th, I get inauguration ceremony. Okay, anyways. Nice. China, Guangdong, Hong Kong, and Macau.
Nghĩ đó một cô mà